All right. And then let's go ahead and start up our server as well. So yarn start or npm start, depending on what you got. And you should see the normal stuff for a freshly created React app. Everybody got this? Cool. So we want to use router, right? So the first thing we should do is we should probably add ReactRouter to our project. So you can open another tab, Command T on a Mac. I assume Control T does the same thing on. Yeah, cool. And then you can do yarn add or npm install ReactRouter DOM. Yeah, in the API party directory. So for those of you using npm, it is nice that they named a package after DOM, though. That's so sweet of them. All right. Everybody got that? It's working on it at least. All right. So you should see, after that installs, if you check your package.json, you should see ReactRouter DOM at least version 4 or higher. Yes, I certainly can. And then I'm going to do a quick commit there and just say add. Oh, you know what? Dang. Forgot to switch off master. So you guys can stay on master. I need to switch because I need to do for the afternoon as well. Add ReactRouter. All right, so all these changes I'll be pushing up pretty often on the morning branch. All right. So now we got the router installed into our project. So let's actually do that other step, which is wrap our app in a router. So first thing we need to do is import the router. We're specifically doing the browser router. And we've not, I don't think we've done this yet, but for imports, if you want to import a named import, but then use a different name for it. So I just going to import browser router as router because I'd rather type a shorter name. And then in our React DOM render method, so our first argument is the thing that we're attaching, and then the second argument is where we're attaching it to. So we're going to wrap our app in router tags. So the app is now inside a router. I'm going to do a quick commit on that. All right. That's all we had to do for that part. Congratulations, you have a router in your project. Hooray! And there was great rejoicing. So next step, right now this is what our app looks like, but it's supposed to look like this, right? So let's make some changes. Let's go back to the, so this is what we want our basic page to look like. So let's make some of those changes. Number one, we gotta change this title. It is a React app, but that's boring. Go into your index.html in the public folder and change the title to API Party. And that's all we need to do there. We should. Oh, good. Now it says API Party. And then let's go to app.js. And we don't want this stuff. We don't want the logo and the welcome to React, so get rid of those. We do want an H3. It says ain't no party. Like an API party. And then I don't think we want this intro at all, right? I'll just get rid of that. Yeah.
I have a massive fail to compile. Me too. Error.
What'd you do?
I don't know. I did what you did.
What's the error?
What you did, but not as well. It is child conversion.
It's not matched the corresponding time. And what was the last thing we did? When did you get this error?
Yeah, did you do that when we wrapped the router, or was that once we started changing the markup?
Didn't like look at it until like 10 seconds ago. So my guess is when I wrapped the router. Yeah.
Mine was
Because I had like the little spinning thing.
Hmm.
And like before we did it.
Do you leave the document.get ID?
Yeah.